and welcome back to my holiday organizing series where I upload organizing tips daily to hopefully help you achieve just a little more organization this holiday season. Now in this tip, I want to talk about simplifying the gift giving and receiving process. Now what I'm talking about specifically is the packaging that many of our gifts come in. That packaging that they come in is next to impossible to open up. It literally will drive me crazy. And if you're giving a lot of gifts out, let's say you have young children and they are receiving a lot of gifts that are wrapped in that kind of plastic, it can be a real hassle when you're trying to get all of those packages open. And let's not forget about batteries. Everything needs a battery these days. There's nothing more aggravating than trying to figure out what type of battery it needs or where the batteries go in a specific toy or whatever. So what I want to offer you in this tip is to save yourself that trouble. So Christmas morning can be a lot more relaxed for you and thereby a lot more enjoyable. So what I do with the gifts I'm giving is I grab these bad boy clippers and I cut them out of the package before I even give it to them, before I wrap it. I get them out of the package and then I go hunt down the batteries I need to go into that gift I'm giving them. Okay, so when they go to open it up, the gift is ready for them to use. It's got the batteries, it's all set to go. No more hunting around, no more trying to pry it apart Christmas morning, okay? So in a nutshell, the tip I'm offering you is to get it out of that annoying packaging that is so hard to cut open and get those batteries already in the product so that when they open your gift, they can start using it right away. Then you can sit back and just enjoy the gift giving process. Okay, I hope you found this tip helpful. If you'd like even more organizing tips, I have made a 55-page downloadable PDF that has organizing checklists, organizing templates, and a lot more of my organizing tips all included. I will put the link to that downloadable PDF in the description box below. Take care and I'll see you next time.